Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue on with our calendar series. So let's go ahead and just bring this in. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. And we're going to look at the Leapdays function. So, alright, let's just go ahead and look at it. That's why it is so important that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So, all right, what in the world does Leapdays do? So, all right, return number of leap years in range. What does that mean? Wait a minute, range. Inclusive, exclusive. I'll show you the documentation here in a minute. Assume that year 1 is less than or equal to year 2. So let's just go ahead and pull this up. And as we can see right here, range, year 1, year 2, exclusive. So now we've seen Python use closed and open-ended. So now we've learned something else, inclusive, exclusive. So all right, let's just go ahead and look at, let's go back to, let's look at this a couple ways. Calendar.Leapdays, and then we're going to go through 2020, close this out, 29. Let's go ahead and say we want to include this. So we go up. So in between 1900 and 2020, we've had 30 leap years. So I've always thought this function was very cool. Real quick video today. Really powerful tools, so you don't have to go through and do any math. Guess what? This is why I love Python. Somebody else has already done the work for you most of the time. So another perfect function to have in our toolkit. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure you're checking out this video or this video. And absolutely most important, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the notification bells. We got videos coming out all the time. I want to thank you for joining us. Thanks for being here, and we'll just see you guys next time. Bye.